Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about analysis of algorithms, part of data structures using C++ course. The analysis of algorithms is the process of determining the computational resources required by an algorithm to solve a problem. It provides a way to compare the performance of different algorithms and determine the most efficient one for a specific problem. The analysis of algorithms involves several factors, including time complexity. The time complexity of an algorithm is a measure of the amount of time it takes to solve a problem as a function of the size of the input data. Time complexity is usually expressed using the big O notation, which provides an upper bound on the growth of the running time of an algorithm as the size of the input data increases. Space complexity. The space complexity of an algorithm is a measure of the amount of memory required by the algorithm to solve a problem. Space complexity is also usually expressed using big O notation and is an important factor to consider when choosing an algorithm, especially when dealing with large data sets. Best, worst, and average case. The best case, worst case, and average case scenarios provide different perspectives on the performance of an algorithm. The best case scenario represents the best possible performance of an algorithm, while the worst case scenario represents the worst possible performance. The average case scenario provides a more realistic estimate of the performance of an algorithm based on the average of all possible inputs. Constant factors. The constant factors in an algorithm are the non-dominant terms in the time complexity analysis and can often have a significant impact on the performance of an algorithm. For example, the constant factor in the time complexity of an algorithm can often be the deciding factor between choosing one algorithm over another. The analysis of algorithms is a critical part of computer science as it provides a way to understand the efficiency and performance of algorithms and helps to choose the best algorithm for a specific problem. It is an important tool for computer science professionals and software developers as it enables them to make informed decisions about the design and implementation of computer programs. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.